So what is scalar product? If we multiply two vector quantity and gives the result of a scalar quantity, then we can say that the product is a scalar product. So scalar product, a vector and b vector is equal to ab cos theta. So two vectors a and b, here two vectors a and b, a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. Here there is an angle between a vector and b vector. Then the product a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. So to find out the angle between two vectors, this cos theta is equal to a dot b by mod a mod b. So theta is equal to cos inverse of a dot b by mod a mod b. When two vectors a and b is given to you and the question is you have to find out the angle, then you have to apply this formula to find out the angle between two vectors a and b. What are the rules of this scalar product or dot product? Scalar product or dot product, I dot I cap dot I cap. I cap is the unit vector along the x-axis. So the angle between I cap and I cap, that is equal to 0 degree. So and the magnitude of a unit vector is 1. So I cap dot I cap is equal to 1 cos 0 degree. So that becomes 1. So that's why I cap dot I cap is equal to 1 and j cap dot j cap is equal to 1 and also k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. So this is the rules of the dot product. Now what is the value of I cap dot j cap? Here these two vectors, these two unit vectors are mutually perpendicular. So the angle between I cap and j cap is equal to 90 degree. So we know that cos 90 is equal to 0. So that's why I cap dot j cap is equal to 0 and j cap dot k cap is also equal to 0. So the rules are I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1 and another product becomes 0, that is I dot j, j dot k or k dot I is equal to 0. Let you have a vector is equal to I cap ax plus j cap ay plus k cap az and another one vector b vector is equal to I cap bx plus j cap by plus k cap bz. So what is the dot product of these two vectors? So a dot b is equal to I cap ax plus j cap ay plus k cap az dot I cap bx plus j cap by plus k cap bz. So we know that I cap dot I cap is equal to 1 and I cap dot j cap is equal to 0, I cap dot k cap is equal to 0. So the result becomes I cap dot I cap, that is ax bx. I cap dot I cap means 1 and ax and bx. Again j cap dot I cap is equal to 0, j cap dot j cap is equal to 1 and j cap dot k cap is equal to 0. So that's why here j cap ay and j cap by. So it becomes ay by and k cap az into k cap bz. So az bz. Example of a dot product, that is the work done. Work done is a scalar quantity denoted by W, and we know that the work done is equal to force into displacement, but force is a vector quantity and displacement also a vector quantity, so the product is a dot product F dot R. So work done W is equal to F dot R. Now the vector product or cross product. Here the formula is A cross B, two vectors, A vector and B vector. A cross B is equal to A B sin theta. This is the scalar quantity, and n cap. N cap is an arbitrary unit vector perpendicular to both A and B containing the plane. So A vector represents by this line and V vector represents by this line. The angle between them is theta. Then the unit vector is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, or we can say the unit vector is perpendicular to the plane containing A vector and B vector. This is the formula. So what is the product of I cross I? We know that the angle between I and I, that is 0. So we know that sin 0 is equal to 0. So I cross I, J cross J and K cross K, this three product result becomes 0. And what is the result of I cross J? We know that I and J are mutually perpendicular. Okay, so the angle between them theta is 90 degree, and we have this formula A cross B is equal to AB sin theta n cap. N cap is the perpendicular to both A and B. If we take I cap along this axis, J cap along this axis and K cap along this axis, so the plane containing I cap and J cap, K cap is the perpendicular to the plane containing I cap and J cap. That is the angle 90 degrees. So here the n cap is K cap, and the magnitude of I cap and J cap is equal to 1. So magnitude of I cap 1, magnitude of J cap 1, sin 90, and what is the n cap? N cap here is K cap. So K cap. So this becomes I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. By this formula, we can also conclude that the J cap cross I cap is equal to minus K cap. So here we have to rotate a right hand screw from, in this case I cross J, we have to rotate from I to J, that is along this direction, from I to J, and it moves upward direction. So that's why the n cap becomes K cap. And when we multiply J cross I, the right hand screw rotates from J to I. So from J to I, it rotates from J to I, so it moves vertically downward to the plane containing I and J. So its result becomes minus K cap. Similarly, we can find out another product also, that is J cross K. J cross K, that is equal to plus I cap, K cross J, that is equal to minus I cap, and K cross I, that is equal to K cross I, that is equal to plus J cap, and I cross K, that is equal to minus J cap. Okay, you have to note the formula for the vector product. So let you have two vectors A and V. A vector is represented by I cap Ax plus J cap Ay plus K cap Az, and V vector is represented by I cap Bx plus J cap By plus k cap bz. So now I have to use the formula I cross I is equal to 0 and I cross j is equal to k cap and I cross k is equal to minus j cap. So I cross I is equal to 0. Now I cross j, I am going to cross between I and j. I cross j is equal to plus k cap. So k cap ax by. Now I have to cross between I and k. I cross k. I cross k means minus j. So minus j cap ax bz. Now I have to cross between j and I. J cross I, that means minus k cap. Minus k cap ay bx. And again j cross j is equal to 0. J cross k is equal to plus I. J cross k is equal to plus I. So it becomes I cap ay bz. Now I have to multiply between k and I. K cross I, that means plus j. So plus j cap az bx. Now k cross j. K cross j means minus I cap. So it becomes minus I cap az by. And k cross k is equal to 0. So the result becomes, if we take first I cap, then I cap ay bz, I cap ay bz and I minus az by. So I cap ay bz minus az by plus j cap. Next I have to take plus j cap. So plus j cap, here is one j cap and another one j cap is here. So plus j cap az bx minus ax bz. Again I have to take common k cap. So k cap, here is one k cap and another one k cap is here. So plus k cap ax by minus ay bx. This is the result of the product, vector product of two vectors. Now what is the example of vector product? We know that torque tau denoted by tau is equal to r cross f. So whenever you have given the force and the perpendicular distance between two forces, that is r, you can find out by the vector product the torque. Now what is the key point to remember the product of three unit vectors? If it rotates from this direction, this result give you the positive value, and if you rotates from this direction, that is anti-clockwise direction, it gives you the negative value. If we product I and j, I cross j, that is I cross j, it rotates the clockwise direction, so it will give you result the another one unit vector, that is positive k cap. And if we rotate it from j to I, that is j cross I, it gives you the result, it rotates along the anti-clockwise direction, so it gives you the result minus k cap. So j cross k, that means it rotates along the clockwise direction, so it gives you the result positive I cap. And k cap cross j cap, that is minus I cap. K cross j rotates along the anti-clockwise direction, so k cross I give you the result positive j cap, as it is rotates along the clockwise direction. And what is I cross k? I cross k, that means it rotates along the anti-clockwise direction, so it gives you the result negative j cap. If we take vector product between two vectors a and b, it gives you another one vector c vector, and you must know that the c vector is perpendicular to both a vector as well as v vector. So if you give a question in which you have to find out a perpendicular vector of two vectors, then you have to must multiply the vector product. You have to must do the vector product between the given vectors. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.